Alright guys, what I have for you today. This is pretty unique example. Honda Accord LX 1990 with 50 something thousand miles. Original. Car has all original paint except the bumpers, front and rear, but the rest of it is full original. About 4.0. All the parts, doors, roof, quarter panels, and actually the condition is saying everything. It's fully original car. I knew this is the super reliable vehicle. Toyota's this time was probably even worse than that one. The final example that I saw on the internet did 1,000,000 miles easily. For a little car to do the 1,000,000 miles is something unique, and I have to tell you that it all was original engine and transmission, and it's even wasn't rebuilt. It's all original. We still have original California old fashioned plate. As you can see, the headlight, fog lights, blinkers, everything. It's really, it is a time capsule. So we have a little tiny dent over here. I don't know, can you see that? It's almost invisible. The fender, hood, all original paint. We did a little buff to it, but we have one scratch here. I'm gonna show you everything. This one could be, the black trim could be refreshed, but we didn't do that. Still original shape. We have super nice, I don't remember what is that. This is the Falcon, and I believe it's 2020 or something. All right, look at the stoplight, tail lights. Oh my God, clear as day. The original license plates from day one. One little scarf over here on the trunk lid. Nothing serious. Probably the professional could fix it, but I'm not a professional. I don't know why they put this little quartz. But we have it. This is the glue, by the way. They have a guards even on the edges of the door. Roof is great. And actually it doesn't have any dents anymore. That's it. That's all we have. The little tiny one on the front fender. This is the VIN number. One owner vehicle. Right now it's two owner vehicle. Look at the interior, guys. Everything is working. You see his work. This is the probably velour, right? I didn't clean it how it's supposed to be cleaned, to be honest. I didn't even detail this car. You see no even cracks on the dashboard. And the headliner is in great shape. All right, 53,729 miles. It's gonna be a couple of miles more. Still original Honda stereo. This is the little, I believe, yeah, this is for the spare change. This is easily cleanable, but I'm telling you, I didn't detail it how it's supposed to be detailed. Perfect pedals, no any problems with that. Here is a little cup holders, nice feature. And I want to show you that it's 90/90, right? Everybody been smoking this time. Look at that. Look at that. This is clean as day. It's original stuff. And this amazing. This stuff is for adjustments. You can correct your watch. Then here at the back, nothing to tell you really much, but it's clean as day. There's a little glove box. Doors are great. The carpet is good. So let me show you that. Under the hood. Look at that, guys. It's still original. Everything is original except I replaced the spark plugs, valve cover gasket, his new spark wires, ignition wires. Then I did the fuel filter over there, the air filter, the battery. What else? The engine oil, of course. And other than that, it's probably everything. Oh, I drained the tank, of course, because the fuel there was pretty bad. But look at that, guys. Everything is original. And as you can understand, there is no rust underneath. I'm gonna attach the video to it. And it's good to go. Looking for a new owner. Yeah, and serpentine belt is new too. So let me start that vehicle for you. And it starts nice. Transmission shifts good. No any delays or something like that. AC works great. Here is your time. Let me check the. By the way, this is a funny feature. All right, this is the driver window. Works great. Oh. This is the passenger one. Works great. This is the rear one. Works great. This is the rear one left. Works great. All right. AC works great. We convert it. Blinkers. I turn on the lights outside. Cruise control works great. Everything works nice. I have a lot of pictures, so if you need everything additional, it's the St. Falcon. Let me know. Thank you for watching. Now let's do a little test drive of this vehicle. I'm gonna show you another feature. when you open in this door, you got an indication, and you can turn off the locks. It has a dimmer over here when you can correct the lighting illumination. And let's do that. Car is super tight. It feels like new. The steering, everything is amazing. No any sounds, nothing. Absolutely amazing. No check engine lights, nothing. It's not the fastest vehicle in the world, but it works nice. It's totally enough. Like you, Rolls-Royce was saying. What's the power? Totally enough power. So thank you for watching, guys. It was a pleasure to create for you this video, but this car deserves your attention. Thank you for watching. Bye.
На пробке. 1150 долларов. И поменяли подсалку. А сколько уже прислали? 4 месяца. Я был у вас 7 секунд. А чего ты не подводили? Что спросить моего разрешения? О, щет! Банды платить. Короче, все, переставил, плачу. Не впервые. Какая-то рекламная компания. А я сегодня кусты сажаю. Кашка мечтал посадить кусты. Кашка, приезжай ко мне, привози кусты сажать. У меня там возле забора столько места. Мне еще 50 планетных принципов. Давайте сначала принцип подъем у меня.